Switches that are actuated by pneumatic or hydraulic pressure are called PE transducers or HE transducers. In this example, a diaphragm in the device actuates a micro switch when a preset value is reached. This results in an electrical signal. An example: the light is to go on when a certain pressure is reached. This is the symbol for a pressure switch in a pneumatic or hydraulic circuit diagram, and this is the electrical symbol. And here is how it works. The pressure is exerted on a diaphragm or a piston. When an adjustable preset pressure is reached, a micro switch is actuated which closes the circuit, thus generating an electrical signal. If the pressure drops, the switch automatically opens again at a certain pressure. The difference between the switch on point and the switch off point is the hysteresis of the pressure switch. This varies according to the pressure range. The hysteresis is caused by the frictional resistance in the components of the switch. It is important to know the hysteresis of a switch because it switches at different points for rising or falling pressure. The differential pressure switch is a special type of pressure switch. One application is the monitoring of the contamination of an oil filter in a hydraulic pressure line. This is done by tapping into the lines upstream and downstream of the filter. The pressure differential is a measure for the contamination of the filter, independent of the effective pressure level. A differential pressure switch has two pressure chambers, separated by a metal diaphragm. If the pressure in the upstream chamber rises because of increasing contamination of the oil filter, an increasingly large pressure differential results between the two chambers. This causes the diaphragm to bend. This in turn pushes a pin into the field of an inductive sensor, and an electrical signal results. All signal elements we have looked at here have one thing in common, whether a manually actuated switch, a sensor, or a pressure switch. It is always an external influence that triggers the electrical signal at the signal element, causing the circuit to be opened or closed.